In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs. Google Docs is a simple and powerful tool for creating documents online, whether you're writing notes, drafting a letter, building a report, or working on something more professional. The best part is that it's beginner friendly, and once you understand the basics, it becomes very easy to use. To get started, open Google Docs. From the home screen, you can click blank document if you want to start from scratch, or you can choose a template if you'd like a pre-designed layout for something like a resume, letter, or report. Templates can save time and give you a more polished starting point. Once your document opens, the next thing you should do is name it. At the top of the page, you'll see Untitled Document. Click there, type the name you want for your file, and then press Enter. This helps keep your files organized, especially if you plan to create a lot of documents over time. Now you're ready to start writing. Just click anywhere on the page and begin typing. Google Docs works much like a standard word processor, so editing text feels very natural. You can add content, delete mistakes, and make changes as you go. If you want to add more than just text, click Insert. This menu lets you place useful elements into your document, including images, tables, links, charts, drawings, page numbers, and headers and footers. These tools are helpful when you want your document to be more informative, structured, or visually polished. To improve the look and readability of your document, use the Format menu. Here, you can adjust line spacing, change paragraph alignment, add indents, apply heading styles, and even create columns. Heading styles are especially useful because they make longer documents easier to navigate and keep everything looking consistent. One important thing to know is that Google Docs saves your work automatically. There's no save button you need to click over and over. Your changes are stored as you work, which makes the writing process much less stressful. When your document is finished, click File if you want to download or print it. Under Download, you can save your work as a PDF, a Microsoft Word file, or another format depending on what you need. If you want a paper copy, just choose Print. As a beginner, there are a few habits that can help a lot. Use heading styles to organize your content clearly. Remember that your changes are being saved automatically. If you're collaborating with others, comments can help you share feedback directly inside the document. You can also review earlier versions through version history, which is useful if you want to go back and recover previous edits. And finally, don't forget to explore templates whenever you need a quick and professional starting point. With these basics, you'll be able to create, edit, format, and manage documents confidently using Google Docs.